arbitrationagreements.org. I'm glad you're taking a moment to think about alternative dispute resolution and how it can play a role in tackling ineffective communication. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you stay happy and keep costs low. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you're in a disagreement with a close friend. The two of you aren't seeing eye to eye on a matter that's crucial for both of you. You decide to talk about it. Your friend starts explaining their side and you interrupt them midway. You believe you've understood their point, and you're ready with your counter-argument. This happens back and forth, and neither of you feels heard or understood. Both of you go home frustrated, believing the other person just does not get it. Sounds familiar, right? This is a classic example of ineffective communication, where listening to respond takes precedence over listening to understand. Now, think about traditional court litigation. The adversarial nature, with its strict rules and formalities, can sometimes mirror that very same situation. Each side presents its case, often without much opportunity for genuine dialogue or understanding. In fact, according to some statistics, nearly 70% of people believe that court litigation does not promote effective communication or understanding. This is where alternative dispute resolution, or ADR, comes in. ADR promotes a more collaborative environment, one where the parties can actually sit down and discuss their issues. It's no wonder that 85% of disputes resolved through ADR techniques like mediation leave participants feeling more satisfied compared to traditional litigation. Moreover, 55% of people feel they have better communication with the opposing party after an ADR process. So why does this matter? Ineffective communication is more than just frustration. It can lead to prolonged disputes, strained relationships, and in many cases, it can have financial implications too. By understanding the role of ADR in promoting effective communication, we're not just addressing disputes but fostering better understanding, saving time, and often saving money too. If you want to learn more information on how to resolve inefficient communication, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Also, what do you think about ADR? Does it seem like a strong alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.